Today we're kind of talking about what can we do to ensure one of our biggest assets, which is, for a lot of people, your car. Other than rotating your tires and going in to get your oil checked, what else can we do?
Of course, with the car wash, you're gonna always keep the windows all around clean to protect the driver's visibility.
The dangerous after effects of snow can really impact your car too. What are the dangers of the snow and the Midwestern roads that can do to our cars, maybe for resale or in general?
The salt and the snow could cause rust damage on the underbody. So we offer underbody cleaning for the undercarriage, as well as graphene, which is powered by Rain-X. That'll give you an extra protection on your car, protect the paint, protects the underbody, of course.
What else, can a car wash help with kind of the safety of driving every day?
We also offer the windshield washer solution. So we have a winter blend for the winter, so you don't have to worry about your windshield getting frozen.
It is really important to make sure when you do step outside to go drive that your car is clean. Before I go in to get my monthly membership for the unlimited washes, I'd love to talk to you more about your insurance and protecting your vehicle as well, making sure you have the right liability limits and coverages. So visit Samantha Farrell State Farm at 3537 Lexington Avenue, right in Arden Hills, and give us a call or email, and we'd love to help you out this winter.
And feel free to come in and get your unlimited wash club. You can wash as much as you want, not just at this location, but at every single Silver Star Car Wash location.